Bismillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. In this video we are installing Virtualbox and setting up a Windows 10 virtual machine. Virtualbox is an open source hypervisor mainly used to run operating systems in virtual machines. You can test, train, or develop in the virtual machine without affecting your main system. It can be hosted on all major operating systems, but I'm doing it in Ubuntu 24, so let's start. First, open your web browser and then go to virtualbox.org. Then click the download button, and then in the platform list choose Linux distributions. This is the page we're looking for, and then scroll down to the Debian-based Linux distributions. We're going to use apt because if you go with the deb file, you'll have to manage it manually and will most likely run into dependency complications. Anyway, so let's open the terminal and then navigate to our sources list file. In the newer Ubuntu versions, this is located in /etc/apt/sources.list.d/Ubuntu sources. Okay, now let's copy the source line and paste it down here. This is the format of the older versions, so let's update this. The type is still going to be deb. For the SUSE is going to be noble, and then for the components, which section is going to fetch from, we want contributions. And then here let's copy the URL and paste it here. Next we're going to update the GPG key. The GPG key, it's used to verify the authenticity of the source repository. We still don't have this file, but we're going to install it now. So don't forget to remove this line, save and exit. Let's verify our changes. Yeah, here it's added successfully. Now to download the GPG key, they already have it ready for you. Copy this line, go back to the terminal, paste it and enter. Now it's finished. Go back to the browser and copy these two lines to install Virtualbox. We're going to install version 7.1. For this 7.0, it's outdated, it's not supported anymore. So let's copy this, go to the terminal and paste it here. Before installing Virtualbox, just make sure that you don't have any older versions or broken installations. This can mess up your installation. Okay, now it's finished. Let's search for it. And here is Oracle VirtualBox Manager. It's successfully installed. Next, we have to add our Windows virtual machine. Before creating the virtual machine, we have to get the Windows ISO image. It's very simple. Go to your browser and then search for Windows Enterprise. Go to Microsoft.com and then download the ISO Enterprise. We don't have to fill this information. 1 second. Let me go back to the browser. The second link, and here this is the Windows 10 Enterprise. Select the 64-bit edition. Anyway, I don't have to wait for the installation. I already have mine installed. So I'll go back to let me cancel this thing. Yes. You can wait for your installation to finish before continuing. So back to the Virtualbox. Click New. And then for the name, you can name your virtual machine whatever you want. This is the folder where your virtual machine will be installed. Make sure that it has sufficient storage. The virtual machines can get pretty big. Next, for the ISO image, click Other, Downloads, and here's my ISO image. We're going to skip unattended installation. Next, we'll choose base memory to be 8000. For the CPUs, I'll give it 3. Now for the virtual hard disk, I'll set it to 35. And we don't want it to pre-allocate. This 33 gigas won't be taken away right away from your laptop. This is the upper limit of what the disk size can reach. Click Next, and then Finish. Now we have the Windows machine ready. Let's start it. And here you can see this error. Virtualbox can't operate in VMXC root. So this happens because the KVM kernel module is loaded in Linux. It's often enabled automatically if your device supports it. We can disable it temporarily by going to the terminal and then writing the command sudo modprob remove kernel based virtualization module, and then click enter. This disabled the KVM Intel. And now let's go back to the virtual machine, click start, and now it worked. This only lasts till the next reboot. You can add it to your startup script, but keep in mind that the KVM is required by other softwares like Docker or EVNG. So next, then click install now. This can take several minutes, so I'll get back when this finishes. It finished installing, so let's continue. Select your region, your keyboard layout, skip. This will take some time to set up. Okay, now it finished. Click domain join instead. Enter your username, your password, confirm it, and then answer 3 security questions. next, next, and next. Choose your privacy preferences and then click accept. Not now. And then again, this will take a few minutes. Okay, so now the installation finished. Now you have a running Windows 10 virtual machine in Ubuntu 24. Assalamu alaikum.